In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade on HyperEVM, Hyperliquid's new chain. This is very new, this just recently launched. As you can see here from our boy Ansem, a lot of people still are yet to bridge over, so you are early if you are watching this video. As you can also see, this tweet was just 2 days ago, and he says HyperEVM is dope because only like 2 people will buy when he shills a tweet. And as you know, typically when Ansem shills something, thousands of people buy. Even Pentoshi has jumped in the comments and said some charts there actually look pretty good, to be honest. So yeah, this new chain is just heating up, and with the hype behind hype, I think this could be very good. I will leave links to everything down below in the pinned comment. So firstly, if you're already a Hyperliquid user, you can very easily bridge over to the EVM if you already own Hypecoin. So if you own Hypecoin on spot, you can simply click transfer to/from EVM down here, and then it will transfer from spot over to EVM. I've already done that, so I no longer have any hype on here. But once you've confirmed that, you will then have hype on HyperEVM in your wallet that you connect to with Hyperliquid. But if you're not already a Hyperliquid user, what you will need is an EVM compatible wallet. This just means generally any generic wallet such as RABBY or MetaMask or any of these popular wallets that are EVM compatible. I recommend that you use RABBY. So install that and set that up, and then send in some Ethereum. If you've already got some Ethereum in your RABBY wallet, next what you're going to want to do is come on over to dbridge and select Ethereum, and then click on HyperEVM and Hype token. Enter in the amount of ETH that you'd like to bridge over, and then confirm trade. Once you've done that, you will then have hype in your RABBY wallet or whatever wallet you are using. As you can see here, I have some hype in this wallet. Now that you have hype in your wallet, if you come on over to HyperSwap Exchange, this is the native DEX for HyperEVM. So this is like your Uniswap for HyperEVM. Once you're there, you will see your hype balance, and you can then begin swapping tokens. However, I wouldn't really recommend using this because the DEX is quite slow in comparison to the Sniper bot. I will leave the link to the Telegram Sniper bot in the description below. It's the most popular one currently for HyperEVM, and I've tried it out myself, and it's very fast at executing trades. In order to set that up, it's super easy. Just click on the link in the description, type in /start. That'll open up the main menu, and it will give you your new wallet address and your private key. Make sure you note that down, keep that safe, and don't share that with anybody. And then once you've got your new wallet address, simply click on it to copy, head on over to your RABBY wallet, select hype, and send over the hype to your new Sniper wallet. Make sure that you leave a little bit for gas fees. You only need to leave about 0.1. So once you've sent that over, you will now have hype balance in your Sniper bot, and then you can begin sniping tokens. So to do this, you're going to want to head on over to Liquid Launch. This is like the pump fun of HyperEVM. So once you're here, you will see all of the new coins that have been created recently, and you can see how far through the bonding curve they currently are. What's interesting about this is you can click on a coin, and each coin has its own chat box. So you can see down here, this is the one for Hyperblob, and there's 24 members here, and you can see the little chat that's going on here. So each coin has this, which I think is quite interesting. So you can chat with other people whilst you're in the coin preparing for bonding. So you can also set it by in progress or ones that have already bonded, and you can see the amount of participants when the coin was created, the current market cap volume, and percentage change. So very clean user interface. I really like this, very easy to use. Now if you'd like to snipe one of these tokens, all you need to do is click on the token, click up here, and this will copy the token address. Head on over to your Telegram bot, paste in the address, and then here you can select the amount of hype you'd like to buy. Let's just click 1 hype. And as you can see, that swap has already taken place, and we've bought 1 hype of this token. So it's lightning fast, very quick, very easy to use. And if we want to click sell, we just click on sell and we can select the amount that we'd like to sell here. And it's already sold. So as you can see, it's very fast. This is the best Telegram bot so far for HyperEVM. As I said, links to everything will be down in the description below and also in the pinned comment. So that is how you snipe tokens on HyperEVM, Hyperliquid's new chain. I think there's going to be a lot of incentives for trading on this chain because already on their native DEX, they already have some tasks that you can do to collect points and climb up the ranks. I think Hyperliquid are really building out a new ecosystem here, and I think this could potentially be quite lucrative. I'm using persec.com for the block explorer, so this is like Etherscan for HyperEVM. Hyperfolio is also a way that you can view your whole portfolio. Just paste in your wallet address and that will tell you your portfolio value and show you all of your tokens. You can also use DEX Screener. They have now updated it with HyperEVM, so you can see all of the tokens listed here on DEX Screener. These are ones that have already migrated. So that is a tutorial on how to bridge over to HyperEVM and trade HyperEVM tokens, Hyperliquid's new exchange. All of the links will be in the pinned comment below, and happy trading. If you like this video, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you'd like to see more crypto content like this one.